All right, everybody. Hello, welcome. Bienvenidos for traveling Costa Rica. Today we're in Heredia. It's a big town near San Jose. We're going to be doing a walk and talking tour here. This is the municipal market. We'll start there, then we'll go up to the church. If this is your first time joining, guys, as always, hit like, hit subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the bell notification because we travel a lot here in Costa Rica and upload cool videos. Before we start walking, though, let's talk about how to get here. So if you're starting your vacation in San Jose, you'll be landing right here at the SGO airport, just south of Alajuela, right there. And then you're going to drive just 20 minutes to get to Heredia, right here. And we'll zoom in. This is the Central Park where we're going to end the video. But if you head a couple blocks down, there's the market. And then you will arrive right here at the market downtown. So guys, Heredia is it's busy. It's busy. A lot of people walking around, super cool. I just got some fruit in the market here. Got my coffee. Got my cigars. We're gonna do a box jump here. There you go. So this here is the market. And I always try to do videos of the markets when we're in bigger towns like this. And usually it's close to the Central Park. Central Park usually has a church. So there's a theme. There's a theme with regards to how the cities are laid out. I think these guys are fighting behind me. So here it is, guys. Here's the market. We'll do some walkie-talkie and slow it down a bit. Lots of vendors. Let's go this way. I came down this way. I'll actually stop at the fruit vendor where I bought some fruits earlier. And guys, I always say I'm a geardo. I got a really good travel backpack. It's a sling bag. Has a locking zipper. I'm wearing it right now. I really like it because when I sit down, which I often do, I can just swing it around to the front and access the stuff in it. And the link is in the description for that. I'm gonna let these people go by. I'm gonna try not to be too much of an obstruction here. So we've been doing kind of a tour through San Jose. My intent is to continue on up to Guanacaste and start doing some beaches up there. I know you guys have been leaving some comments. If I have time, I'll go to Playa Flamingo. I got a comment to see Playa Flamingo. I also got a comment to see Punta Arenas. Apparently it's a lot different now. It's better. Let's go this way. There's some meat, guys. What are we looking at for meat? $4 a kilo for that. Beef tongue is like $17 a kilo. For your information, if you eat beef tongue. I do not. I do not eat the beef tongue. Here's vegetables. This is a bit of a vegetable alley here. This guy has canned stuff, canned goods. Super nice. Here's some chicken. There you go. Bunch of fillets. Looks like fish. So we're going now, guys. We're going now. Thumbs up, man. Headbutts and high fives. That's what I like seeing. There's a bunch of meat. Here's a place, a little restaurant. Nice. So if you come down to the market, you can get food at these little sodas. What's going on here? Some sport ball affinity garb. That's your fancy. Okay, now here is, look at the number. This is a good number of fruit vendors here. Good number. I bought some fruit up here from these guys. So these guys have vegetables, and I don't really eat vegetables. I eat ginger on a daily basis. I'll just chew on it. So I got some of these here. Water apples. Some of those apples. They have pears here. Plums. mangoes, coconuts, watermelons, bananas. What are those? Papayas? I don't know what those are necessarily. These are pipas, so those don't have a lot of meat in them, but they got good water. And they got honey stuff here. Very, very, very nice. Very nice. Onions. Oh, what's this little place? Little soda. Little drink place. So it looks like here's a municipal bus stop. I'm just guessing. I'm using deductive reasoning. Perhaps I'm wrong. Now we got to go up a couple blocks to the left. We got to go up that way. And then we'll get to the cool Heredia sign. And the church. It's a really nice church. So I just walked this route for the ambient channel. I did a video where I don't say anything. I can send you guys the link if you want. Leave me a comment. I'll send you that link. That's how I figure out where I'm going to go. I reconnoitered the area, sir. What's going on down here? Okay. Okay, we're going to walk slowly. I'm going to do a slow walk rate for a bit. I'm always looking for a gap, you know what I mean? Got to shoot the gap. I feel like I'm like a ninja going through traffic of people. So here's Manger. Let's see how much the BC Motos are running for these days. Oh, this is the one I got too. This is the one I got. How much is the BC Moto? So this is a BC Moto. It has a bicycle pedal, so you don't need a license and all that stuff yet. They said they're changing it. So that's like what? Like something like $900 American. I think that's how much I paid for mine, because the day before I bought mine was when they announced, the day after rather, is when they announced that you will need a license. Then all of a sudden there's a price drop. Okay, so lots of stores here. Here's a technology store. Cool. It's on this side. Berlini. That looks like just a general store. Look at this Mercedes. It's all decked out. It's got the coolest decals. I just want to be a sugar baby for somebody that owns a Mercedes. Let's go this way. I think this is the right way. It's like windy here, guys. So we did videos in Cartago, in San Jose, downtown San Jose, and now here. And every single spot has been very windy. Woo! Tinnitus. Oh, there you go. It's a Tarifa 500, so it's like $1 to ride the bus. I don't know where it goes, but for your information. So this direction, I think, is east. I think we're looking east right now, up into the mountains. Possibly a volcano over there. If you guys know that, you know, please let me know. Let's go this way. I do seem to recall to go, yep, okay, we're going the right way, guys. We are dialed in. What's over here? What's over here? Looks like a little indoor kind of mall. Guys, there's a lot of parking lots down here in Heredia. I parked at one. I don't know how much it's going to cost yet. Usually they're like $2 an hour, thereabout. Here's Fiesta Casino. Fell deeds await. Maybe, I don't know, maybe. I don't gamble either, so I don't know much about casinos. But if you guys have been to the Fiesta Casino, let me know how it is. Oh, and there's a hotel right beside it too. Hotel America. Saw that earlier. So it looks okay. I mean, I don't know. All right, downtown. I got to look for a coffee shop on the road here. That's what I'm always on the hunt for. So here's the church. Super nice church. Across the road. Without getting run over. Where's the sun? Where's the sun? Okay. Just setting up the shot here. So here's the Central Park of sorts. We'll go down there. There's a big Heredia sign. See, very nice. People sitting, people chilling. Here it is. Very, very nice church. Nice grounds over there. Let's go have a peekaboo inside. I'm not gonna walk in and be a dingus. Just go see how it looks. Nice. Looks like people sitting there doing their thing. There's some palm trees. Look at the size of those palm trees, man. They're big. Now over there's a little fort-looking thing. And I really don't want to walk over there. It's so windy already, just standing here. It's like a fort. I don't know exactly what that is. You guys know what that is? Let me know. There's a little parkette over there. Would parquet in Spanish be parquito? Maybe? It's a cool spot. It's so windy, it like makes it cool. It cools everything down. Oh, look at the pigeon. Red. It's a red pigeon. I hope that's not a bad omen if a red pigeon struts in front of you. There's a cool art thing, a monument of sorts. I don't know what it means. Looks like a seed with like ventricles coming off it. There's Icono. There's Icono, guys. Department store, Icono. They actually got nice clothes. I don't wear nice clothes, but I've seen them in there. For men. You know, if you're going out, you got a hot date or something, you can go into Icono and for cheap, you know, for cheap you could go in there and get done up nice, present well for your courting attempts. I've had coffee in there, it's pretty good. I just had coffee. There's a coffee shop right over here, guys. And here's the sign, here's the city sign. This is where you come to take the picture to prove that you were here, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm going to take a picture of that. That's probably going to be the title image for this video. So guys, there you have it. Walking, talking, touring. You're in Heredia, just outside of San Jose, Costa Rica. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. As always, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment with your questions, feedback. Say what's up. Thanks for watching. Bye now.